A former aide from Donald Trump's 2016 campaign is celebrating a legal victory as a federal judge finalized a settlement on Wednesday regarding a lawsuit challenging the campaign's nondisclosure agreements, NDAs. Jessica Denson, who played roles such as a phone bank administrator and Hispanic outreach coordinator, filed a class action claim in 2019, alleging that the NDA she signed was overly restrictive and had been used to silence her concerning allegations of sexual and verbal harassment by a supervisor. The settlement, initially reached in January and preliminarily approved in June, was officially formalized in Wednesday's legal proceedings. The agreement voided all NDAs for former staff members of Trump's 2016 campaign. Denson, in a statement, hailed the development as a massive victory for free speech and criticized Trump, calling him a wannabe authoritarian who threatens American democracy. Trump's 2024 campaign had argued against the merit of Denson's case, pointing out that the 2016 campaign workers were informed in 2022 that their NDAs were no longer in effect. According to court documents, the Trump campaign will pay $450,000 in the settlement, with the majority covering legal fees and other costs, while Denson herself will receive $25,000. The NDAs signed by the 2016 campaign staffers reportedly contained clauses preventing them from publicly demeaning or disparaging Trump during their employment and even afterward. Denson's attorneys argued that these agreements were overly broad and vague. Joe Slaughter of Ballard Spahr LLP, one of Denson's attorneys, expressed gratitude for the successful conclusion of the case, stating that those subject to 7 years of enforced silence can now speak out without fear of retribution. Denson emphasized that the victory goes beyond her personal fight, stating that the excuses for silence have been lifted, and the illegal barrier between truth and the American people has been removed. This settlement, she believes, is a stand against fear and silence that could threaten democracy.